Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. I hope everyone can see the screen, right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we were discussing about this. I have another book. Please first let me know. Are you guys doing the practice from book which I have missed? I have shared with you guys earlier where there were so much vocabulary. Nida, can you please give me a favor if you can share on WhatsApp so I can open it?
Are you talking about Medina book?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay, just give me a minute, okay? I'll share with you.
All right. Till then, I'm showing you another book which I will share, inshallah. Wait a minute. It is all about the attached pronouns, and this is a 8 pages document. You guys have to keep it with you and try to do the practice as much as possible. So, unless you will do the practice, you will not get the grip to understand, to make, or immediately you can make the things in plural or dual. All right. So here, see attached pronouns.
Teacher, I'll share with you on the screen, and I'll send it to you. How will I share it?
Share
The
it
way
in
yesterday
group.
we
Share
shared?
it in group. I will open it up. Otherwise,
Okay,
it will
fine.
take so much time. So I was saying, kalami fi haqibati. It means my pen is in my bag. So if I want to transform this sentence into dual or plural, how would I be? How would it be? Like both of you and would
Both
be
of
in your
you, na?
bag.
So
Your pens,
kalam
I
me
mean, your pens are in your bags. So how would I say?
kala your na? So kalamikuma fi
Kalamukuma.
hakibatikum. Kalamukuma fi hakibatikuma.
Exactly. Fi haki batukuma. Kalamukuma fi
Hakibatikum.
haki batukuma. All right. Wait a minute. Okay. Sadiquna mim madrasatina. It means our friend is from our school. So who will make it in they girls? Their friend is from their school.
ज़ैनब अगर आप नहीं कर रही तो मैं कर देती हूँ.
सदीकुहुन्ना min madrasuna madrasuhunna.
Madrasatuhunna. Okay. And keep remember, if we are talking about female, so automatically the understanding should have to come that we are talking about their friends, female friends. So for female friends, sadiqatuna, sadiqatuhunna, sadiqatuhunna min madrasatuhunna. Okay, sadiqatuhunna min madrasatuhunna. Sadiquka fil ghurfati. Your friend is in the room. Sadiqukum fil ghurfati. All of you guys, your friend is in the room. Okay, so this document would help you out to understand, to learn new vocabulary, and to make that new vocabulary in the form of plural and dual easily. Try to read these things and do the practice in your notebook all by yourself.
Can you please share this book also
Exactly.
in the group?
After the class, I will share it. This is a 8 pages document, and all of the things are including relevant with the attached pronouns. So try hard to do practice for this. Yes, Nida, have you shared it?
Yes, I have already shared it.
Okay. All right. I just want to see. And I just want to know that you guys are doing the practice with this book, because it's very important to practice as much as you can. Okay. I hope you guys understood all of the things. We also can go through this document as well. Like dakhalna al-bayta ba'daha. Here there are multiple sentences, so you can easily understand the things, and it would be very helpful for you to learn how the way in a how in a new way you can make sentence. Okay, like dakhalna al-bayta ba'daha. Dakhalna, dakhala. It is past. We didn't start. We didn't start the past dialogues so far in the Baina Yadaik book. So we don't know about it. Next class, in our next week's class, one day we will do the dialogues, and on Saturday's class we will inshallah do the Fele Mudare, Fele Mazi, and Fele Mustaqbil. So we can easily know that how I can say azhabu in past, how I can say yazhabu in past. So we can make chart for that purpose as well. First, you guys have to work on this document and try hard to practice that all attached pronouns would be in your fingertips while you want to make sentence using or adding dual or plural. So immediately it will come into your head. And without practice, it won't happen. All right.
Can I ask you one thing?
Yeah, sure.
How long it will take to, learn Arabic the way you are teaching and the way matlab, you're talking? I have already seen, conversation of you and your child as well. I have been through these two, small screenshots. So how long it took you to reach to this stage?
Actually, this is all your hard work and passion. It's very important that you need to have focused, and it will not take your so much time. You can consistent time. You have to like fix a specific time for the specific target. That okay, 1 hour you spend from the whole day, and it would be the consistent hour which you follow daily. And consistently, if you are giving 1 hour to the Arabic language regularly, and if there would be more time, so that would be more beneficial, because I have worked in listening and speaking as well. If you want, guys, I will definitely share with you some Arabic cartoons or some Arabic videos which would be very helpful and beneficial to understand, to listen and understand, and in a frequent way, how can we speak up in Arabic sentences? So automatically your understanding would develop, even though so many things we don't know, there might be new. But when your understanding would be developed, so automatically you understand that how the way people are communicating in that video. Okay. So this is all about hard work, and this is all about that you need to be consistent. Consistency is the major part which you need to play to get your target or goal in improving yourself in any language. Okay. So for that purpose, vocabulary is must. Daily on daily basis, if you are learning 2 to 3 words regularly, and you are trying hard to use it, like if you are sitting alone or with your kids, and you can whatever is in your head right now, you can start speaking. Like for instance, you can start questioning with your kid, like hal haza, like you are asking what is that. You mentioned towards the door, and you are asking that hal haza, what is that. Ma haza, sorry, ma haza, what is this. So it means that this is babun. So what do we say? Haza babun.
Haza babun. Haza
Exactly.
babun.
Exactly. Likewise, I'm on the bed. So what do you say? Ana,
Haza sarirun.
ana fi sarirun. Ana fi
Ana fi
sarirun.
sarirun.
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा
Or else,
ana ajlus sarirun भी हो सकता है. I'm sitting on the bed. Ana
Not
ajlus.
necessary. Using ana is not necessary. If you are using ajlis, it's completely, it has the meaning that I sit.
Acha.
Okay.
If I'll use ana, is it something wrong or it is a extra, because
It is not wrong. No,
Mhm,
it is not
mhm.
wrong. For the easiness, for the beginners, and for the especially for the kids, in the beginning classes, teachers used to make them understand that Ana is me, Ana is I, Nanu is us. So likewise, so many times I use that you are going there. Okay, but likewise, if there would be any need of using ana, nahnu, huwa, anta, antum, so then we can use. Otherwise, later, gradually, as we do the practice, so automatically we understand that azhabu means I am going. So there's no need to add ana. Okay. So if you will add ana, it is okay. It is not wrong. But this would be like level wise, you can say ana we will use in the very beginning class, and when our level will be improved, so we leave the ana, and we already understood that if I use azhabu or if I use ashrabu, it's it has a complete meaning that I drink, I uh, go, I sit, this kind of things. Okay. Yes, at times we need to use the ana, nanu, anta, antum, these kind of things. So it depends. It depends on the how the way you are making a sentence or speaking up. So vocabulary memorization is must, and regular notes are very important. Tips are very important. Some of the tips help you a lot. Like for instance, how can we discriminate in between maza and ma? Like. You can say, if I would say the near future I'm talking about, so we use only sa, seen, we add only seen before the fele mudare, like azhabu and sa azhabu. It means I am going to do the work very far, like very near. It is a near future. But if I'm talking about the little late future, so I would add saufa, saufa azhabu, سوف أذهب غدا سوف أذهب إلى المدرسة غدا. غدا means tomorrow. So it is a little far away future. So that's why I'm using سوف. If I would say سأذهب إلى المدرسة now, so الآن, now. I am going to my school madrasati الآن. Al-an means right now. Okay. So like this, you can do the practice. All right. So afan means, like I'm saying, afan is also using for sorry. But if I would say ahlan wa salan means welcome. So, or shukran lak. So you can reply that afwan, you're welcome, like this, in the form of ana kablahuma.
सॉरी असफ भी यूज करते हैं ना, असफ भी सॉरी के लिए यूज करते हैं ना?
Asif, ana asif.
आसिफ है,
Yeah,
आसिफ, ओके फाइन,
exactly.
आसिफ.
All right, Ana Asifa for the female, and Ana Asif for female, for male. All right. Okay, so like this, Amamahum Sayyara. There is a car in front of them. So Amam means front. Okay, and hum I'm using for them. Amamahum Sayyara. There is a car in front of them. Likewise, Talabtu. I ordered, okay, talabtu pizza lahunna. I ordered pizza for them. So lahunna or lihunna, li, la, lam, if I would use, so it would use for. Talabtu is ordered. Talabtu is needed, I guess. We have learned in previous dialogue, right?
Yes, talab means what you exactly need to eat. This is what we have
Exactly.
right now. What you're feeling like to eat. What is your need to eat? It is
Exactly.
like this.
So how would we make that? Not I. We ordered pizza for them.
It's natlabtu pizza lahunna.
Basically, it's a past tense because we have learned atlubu, tatlubu, yatlubu. Okay, and talabtu means I was, like I'm in past. I ordered talabtu. So if I want to make it in a dual form, so I would make talabtuma or talabtu hum. Sorry, talabtukuma, talabtukum. طلبتهما طلبتهم طلبنا. We ordered pizza for them. طلبنا. Yes, Nida. You want to say something?
नहीं, तलबना पिज़्ज़ा lahunna.
Exactly. طلبنا pizza lahunna. लाकुन
अगर हमें
طلبنا
अगर
लाकुन.
हमें अगर हमें प्रेजेंट में बोलना है, आई एम ऑर्डरिंग पिज्जा फॉर देम, तो फिर हम इसको तब हम इसको नतलब तू पढ़ेंगे अगर
Exactly.
प्रेजेंट की
मतलब
बात
वो
करें.
पढ़ेंगे.
नतलब तू नहीं आएगा क्योंकि तलब तू मीन्स
अच्छा
तलब
ठीक है
is
सही से
yes
नतलब पढ़ेंगे. ओके, नतलब
exactly
पिज्जा लाहुन्ना. ठीक है, अगर हम प्रेजेंट की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है
exactly
ना, आई एम ऑर्डरिंग पिज्जा फॉर देम. और अगर मैं कहूंगी नहीं सॉरी वी ऑर्डरिंग पिज्जा फॉर देम, तब नतलब आएगा.
नतलुबु
नत नतलुबू आएगा. ठीक है. और अगर हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो तलबुना पिज्जा लहुन्ना.
exactly. All
ओके.
right. Like here, I went to the market yesterday. So instead of I, if I would see, here they have mentioned the past tense. So let's discuss something about it as well. Am I, shall I discuss it? Or it would be more than that?
मेरे लिए तो ओके, जैनब से पूछ लें आप.
Yeah, Zainab and the rest of other students.
It's already, I think we need
Yeah,
to
it's
practice
okay.
it.
Yeah,
Because,
exactly.
yes.
Things would be jumbled up in your head, so I don't want this. Inshallah, next class would be the complete class where we only discuss about tenses. Okay. So, zahabtu ila suq. I went to the market. So, we are talking about the past, right? If I would ask, you all went to the market yesterday, how would I say? Pattern would be the same, like zahabtuka, zahabtuki. You have to just mention that. How can we say you all went to the market yesterday?
यू ऑल फीमेल है या मेल है?
Female.
यू ऑल जहाबू. यू ऑल फीमेल है तो जहाबू
Zahabtu.
कुन्ना.
Zahabtu would be the
जहाबू
same.
तो जहाबू कुन्ना होगा ना.
Zahabtu kunna. Zahabtu would be the same. And you would
अच्छा,
add
जहाब तो
kunna.
सेम रहे, क्योंकि ये वर्ड भी जहाब है.
Exactly.
असल ओरिजिनल वर्ड इसका जहाब है, तो ये जहाब तू कुन्ना बन जाएगा.
Exactly. Zahabtu kunna. Zahabtu kunna.
बट व्हाई इज दैट सो टीचर? ऐसा क्यों होगा? कोई रीजन है? क्योंकि हमने पिछले वर्ब में पढ़ा कि हम ता हटा देंगे, उसके बाद हम जो है ना वो
No, no,
अटैच
no, no.
लगाएंगे.
Don't
ऐसा ही था.
jumble up the things,
ये
Nida.
ये पास्ट के लिए
Zahabtu.
है, ये पास्ट के लिए है टू. ये
Yes,
था पास्ट के
yes,
लिए.
yes, exactly. Zahabta, zahabtu, zahabti. ये आप in next class when we will discuss now, so only there would be Arab difference. Zahaba, zahaba is the root word, okay? Then we make it in फेले मुदारे like present. Azhabu, yazhabu,
नहीं देखिए,
tazhabu.
नहीं देखिए, हमने पीछे पढ़ा तलबतू. अगर ठीक है ना, हमने अभी पीछे जो वर्ड पढ़ा तलबतू पढ़ा ना,
Yes,
तो तलबतू रेफर्स के इट्स पास्ट. तो जब मैंने उसको कन्वर्ट किया तो आपने मुझसे कहा कि इसका ता हटा दो और इसको
for us,
तलबू.
for us. I told you for us, for not for
अच्छा,
you
ओके
all, okay?
ओके ओके.
For
फॉर
nahnu.
अस, फॉर अच्छा नहीं, प्रेजेंट के लिए अगर आपको प्रेजेंट में कन्वर्ट करना होगा तो आखिर का ता हटाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन
No,
अगर आप उसको
no, no,
पास्ट
no,
में ही
no.
रखेंगे और फिर आप उसको मल्टीपल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे
No,
हैं तो
Nida.
ता रहेगा.
No, 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 no. You are getting confused. Let me repeat it again, okay? This
हाँ.
is the past word, okay? Talabtu. All right?
हम्म
If I would make it in the same order, in the same tense, like there is a time of past. Okay. So
Okay,
I
okay,
only have to change it in, instead of I want to add it we. Okay. So I
okay.
removed it. I'm not removing it. I'm just telling you talabtu means I in
Hmm.
past. If I would say
Hmm.
be, so it would be talabna. I'm not removing any of the thing. I'm just telling
नहीं
you
नहीं देखिए,
talab,
देखिए नहीं नहीं हाँ, मैं समझ गया। देखिए अगर आई इन पास्ट है तो तलब तू है, अगर वी इन पास्ट होगा तो तलब तुना
talabna,
होगा या तलाबुना
talabna,
होगा, ये बता दो।
talabna, talabna. Because
तलब
we
नहीं
are
नहीं, आखिर नहीं नहीं
we
देखिए
देखें, see, you are not getting point. See, like we are adding the things and subtracting the things in the fi'l mudare. Azhabu, yazhabu,
हम्म,
tazhabu, right?
सही।
Okay, so
हम्म,
here we are not going in the same pattern like talabtu with pesh.
हम्म,
It means I in past. Talabta,
ठीक है,
it means you in past. Talabti,
ठीक है।
it means you in past.
शी
Female,
इन पास्ट, हाँ हाँ,
female,
ठीक है।
okay? And
ओके,
उसके बाद he और she का तो different है, total different है.
ठीक है,
And we
सही।
is talabna, okay? And
तलबना, ठीक है।
here we, if we want the in the same way we, so zahabtu
हम्म,
instead of zahabna.
ठीक
I'm
है।
not saying that you have to put we here. I'm saying that you have to put you all girls. So here, if
ओके
I
ओके
will
ओके
make it, so I will only add kunna. Zahabtu kunna. If
ओके
I
ओके
will
ओके,
make
नाउ
it,
तो
अंडरस्टूड।
टीचर
we
अगर
went
हम
to the market, so we went to the market, zahabna. It will become zahabna.
तो मैम अगर हम फिर प्रेजेंट के लिए अगर वी यूज करें तो फिर क्या होगा? अगर प्रेजेंट के लिए वी यूज करें तो आप पास्ट के लिए बता रही हैं ना?
प्रेजेंट के लिए आपको बताया ना, नतलुबु, अतलुबु, नतलुबु,
ओके, नून
यतलुबु,
पहले आएगा।
नून पहले आएगा।
ओके
जैसे
ओके।
हम, this is the trick that in फेले मुदारे we add in the beginning alif for me, azhabu, ya for you, female, sorry, male, yazhabu, sorry, ta
यस।
for male, tazhabu, and for she, female, tazhabu, and yazhabu for he, and tazhabina for you, female. Are you getting my point? The
यस
first
यस,
word would
यू
be
हैव
changed.
टोल्ड दिस।
So this would be the confusing, I know, because if that's why I from the beginning till now I wanted you guys that firstly we need to cover up all of the nouns, because when I was the student, so I was really confused because our teacher didn't take us like this. I am taking you guys, because all of the verbs and all of the nouns were jumbled up, and they were like where the dialogues which we learn and ask the translation, and they told us, but they never told us in the complete form, like you can use these attached pronouns and you can use these detached pronouns. That's why it was really difficult to understand, because things would be jumbled up. Firstly, we will work on that attached pronouns. How can we apply them in the sentence? And then we will go to understand about the all of the girdans and tasarif in verb fail. I hope you are getting my point. हम जो अटैच प्रोनाउंस की बात कर रहे हैं, these are nouns, these are things name, these are objects names, where we need to use the attached pronouns with their dual and plurals. Okay, these are the fail. Where the time is mentioned, it is verb, it is fail. Where the time is mentioned, this is the verb. And we need to understand that if we will learn nouns separately, how the way they would be processed, and how the way we can add them in the sentence, there would be very easiness to understand. So that's why you guys have to make charts in your notebook, so you will easily understand that here I can add up ka, kum, kuma, these kind of things, and you can easily understand. Because next class mein we will discuss the time, I mean tenses, Fele mudare, fele mazi, and fele mustaqbil. So this would make you more maybe confused because udhar bhi dual bhi hai aur plural bhi hai. We need to learn the plural and dual as well in that way. Are you getting my point? Like yuriduna, अभी हम यहाँ पढ़ रहे थे ना,
Yes, yes.
here ये taishani, taishuna, taishani, these kind of things would come. Okay, so that's why for that purpose, practice, practice, and practice. It really work if you will do the practice. I hope Nida you got understood. Confusion clear ho gaya?
Yes. I understood. Alhamdulillah.
All right.
But
So
because I also need practice, few things, being some really confusing because from present we reach to past.
yeah.
So attaching past and this could be a little different. What to remove,
Don't
what to add.
don't think about that. I have to remove this and I have to add this. No, don't think about that. Just keep it in your mind. Zahabtu means I went. Zahabna means we went. Zahabta means you went. Like this. So easily you when you will do the repetition, and repetition. Like I told you guys that at home, if you are in the kitchen and you will do the repetition like. Hua, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. These kind of things would make you automatically understand that, okay, or all of a sudden words will come into your head. Otherwise, if you will not do the practice, words will not come into your head while you are trying to make the sentence. Here I can see there is so much very beneficial and so much good vocabulary they have given here, and you guys can utilize it and learn it. Zahabtu ila suq ams. Ams कहते हैं yesterday को, and gadan is tomorrow. I already told you. So let's move on. Dakhalna. Ab here most probably they like the sentences are using in past manner. Dakhalna is we. If there would be dakhaltu, so it would be I. But here dakhalna is, so it means we came, dakhalna, we came ghurfatul julus. We came into the sitting room. Dakhalna ghurfatul julus. Okay. Likewise, yes, Nida, you want to say something?
Sorry, I don't want to say anything.
Okay. All right. So hal katabtal wajib. Here you can see hal katabtal wajib. Did you write the homework? होमवर्क कहते हैं वाजिब कहते हैं होमवर्क को, और वाजिबुल मंजिली यू कैन बोथ आर करेक्ट. वाजिब और वाजिबुल मंजिली. हल कतबता अल वाजिब, डिड यू राइट द होमवर्क? सो आई एम आस्किंग फ्रॉम multiple mails in front of me. How would I make it?
Hal
katabtukuma.
katabtakum wa al wajib.
हल
Yes,
कतबतुकुम.
yes, yes.
Hal katabtukum al wajib. I'm asking
Al-wajib.
for multiple people, multiple boys. And if I would ask dual, hal katabtukuma, hal katabtukunna, hal
Al-katabtukuma
katabtuhuma,
al-wajib.
hal katabtuhum, hal katabtuhunna. So आप एक वर्ड से सारी चीजें बनाते जाएं, चार्ट बनाते जाएं, automatically you will get to know that okay, in this way I will do the practice. जब आपके पास ready made, when you would have a chart in your notebook, so never ever you will have confusion, and you will while you roam around here and there at home, and while you are sitting and you are thinking, so you have to know, open up your notebook and see the chart, and automatically you understand that how the way you can use the dwell and plural. So check this out, check the document and try to do the practice. Here I know that there is a Fele Mazi they have given here, but you can easily make them Sharbatukum, Sharbatukuma, Sharbatukuhanna. If the pattern you will remember, automatically you can do this. One thing I need to clear, Nida had asked about this word Zahib. See, in the beginning, I remember that I have mentioned in the class that there are subject, object, and fail. Fail and ism we already know. All right. So now as we will go ahead, so we will see in the grammar that sentence, they obviously it's understood that in every language there is a subject and there is an object like fa'il and maf'ul, and that was the sentence I remember which Nida said about ana zahibun, right Nida? Wait a minute, let me check out. Unfortunately, no, not unfortunately. Fortunately, you can say, if we learn these things by heart, this is very easy to understand because there is a root word, and then all of the sentence, all of the tenses word, all of the fail, all of the things, file, maful, comes out from that root word. बस थोड़ा सा हमें थोड़ा सा tricky है, तो we need to understand that how the way we can use it. Wait a minute, जाहिबुन किधर था? I don't know where was that Zahibun sentence, but Nida, usually
आई रियली, आप मुझे समझा दें, मेरे भी दिमाग से उतर गया है। वो होता है कि बहुत सारी चीजें आप कर रहे होते हो तो
see,
कुछ
you were
चीजें जो है ना।
asking, yeah, you were asking that why we are using the Zahibun if we can use Azhabu, right? See, we
हाँ,
need to keep it in your head. You need to keep in your head that we are, when we use the time, Zahibun is not mentioning the time, but Azhabu is mentioning the time. This is the difference.
ओके,
Azhabu is verb, fail, and Zahibun is isme fa'il. Isme fa'il ka matlab, I already told you, everyone knows that what does ism means, what does noun means, the thing, the place, or whatever, any object, anything, like whatever exists, whatever the thing which keeps the existence, that is the ism, right? So Zahibun is me, subject, like मैं जाने वाली हूं, मैं वो हूं जो जा रहा है, समझ रही है बात? शी हु गोज, जाहिबुन शी हु गोज, और आई हु गोज, हु गो। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? जाहिबुन फाइलुन से सारी चीजें निकलती हैं, लेट मी टेल यू। जाहिबुन
अच्छा,
कातिब।
जाहिबुन के अलावा आप कोई ऐसी एग्जांपल दें। अगर मैं देखो, जाहिबुन यानी आई एम द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग, तो आई अंडरस्टूड कि आप इसको इधर जहाब जो है एज अ इसम यूज हो रहा है, बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पर्सन हु इज ट्रैवलिंग और हु इज गोइंग, ठीक है ना। तो अगर जाहिबुन के अलावा एक ऐसी एग्जांपल दें आप मुझे, क्या हम इसको किसी और, कोई ऐसा और भी वर्ब है जो कि एज अ इसम भी यूज हो सकता है?
all of the all
मतलब
of the
इट्स
all of the words, let me tell you. इकरा,
हाँ,
इकरा, we read इकरा, and इकरा को पास्ट में कहते हैं करा, राइट? एंड कारियन, जाहिबुन कारियन, वो जो पढ़ाने
ओके,
वाला है।
जो पढ़ाने वाला है, सही है, सही।
ऑल राइट, सॉरी, पढ़ाने वाला नहीं है,
correct. Qaryun is the who is doing qiraat.
रीडर, रीडर,
हाँ, reader who is doing qiraat.
एग्जैक्ट,
ठीक है।
कारियन।
मुदर्रिसा is adras, and mudarrisa is teacher. So madarsa is a school,
आलिमुन,
adras is,
आलिमुन, आलिमतुन। देखिए, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं।
ठीक है, ओके ओके,
Yes,
हाँ, ओके ओके,
mudarrisatun, mudarris and mudarrisatun. But right now, it's not coming in my mind that for that purpose, what we can use. But talaba, talibun. Daraba,
सही,
daraba means, or idrab, sorry, adrab, yadrab means I hit, you hit, yadrab, daribun. Daribun, who hit means hitter. Like,
ओके ओके ओके
yes, you can find out if you will go
ओके।
to
It
the
is something like in English we are converting, from a noun to
can
adjective,
say
or
teacher,
there.
teacher. teach. Okay, teacher teaches. Teacher
हाँ,
is
so
the teacher is in the class teaching to the students. So here you can tell me what is the subject and what is the object. And Zahibun is the subject. Like Ana Zahibun, he was saying Ana Zahibun ilal madrasati intazir uh, intazir, I am coming. उसने कहा Ana Qadimun. So here Ana Zahibun, मैं जाने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, वेट फॉर मी, आई एम कमिंग, उसने ये कहा है. सो बोथ हैव द सेम मीनिंग. वो ये भी कह सकता था अना अजहबू, मैं जाता हूं या मैं जा रहा हूं, बट ही हैड टू से मैं जाने वाला हूं, मेरा वेट करो, आई एम कमिंग. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
yes,
So
I'm
this is
getting
all
it,
about the
but
understanding. This is all about the
yes,
understanding.
this is all about practice. It is all about practice. How much practice we will do, that much more easy to know that whether the word is being used as ism or whether the word is being used as fal.
Exactly. Like, let me show you something. एक second. See, no. See here. Here we used to read wastame, istame. Istame means listen. All right. So for that purpose, if I will make file for that, it means same, listener. Are you getting my point? Listener.
Yes, yes, yes.
Likewise, ishrab, drink it. So sharib, drinker, पीने वाला. Who
Drinker.
is
Okay,
drinking?
okay, 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 okay.
Iftah, open, and fatihun, opener.
Fatihun, opener. Okay.
Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So these are the all about the understanding. As we will move on in this journey, inshallah, we will definitely have a grip to understand the things, and we will inshallah learn more and more. Do the practice as much as you can, and I would suggest that don't skip your practice sessions so you guys can easily do these things. Our time is running out. For next week, we will inshallah do tenses because there is so much need to understand about the fail as well. Fail mudare, fail mazi, and fail mustaqbal. And there are a lot. I'm saying to all of you, there are a lot to practice, but it is not very difficult. All things are interrelevant. If we will do the gradual practice, and if we will be connected with the practice, I'm making you sure that you guys can easily get the grip to understand and to speak or to make sentences. If there would be any query, you can ask. Otherwise, we can leave. Yes,
No,
Nida.
thank you, teacher. Jazakallah for explaining everything in such a detailed way. Though we are not so much into Arabic, we are not in so depth, but still there are so many questions, rising up. There are still so many questions, small, small things which we can even, I can ignore them, but होता है कि कभी-कभी सवाल आ जाता है कि
You
ऐसा
can
क्यों है,
discuss it.
ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah, no, you
हाँ,
can
तो
discuss it. Put the question in the group. So as whenever I used to get free, so I definitely tried my level best to respond.
okay, okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
No, no, Jazakallah khair. Okay, so let's wrap up the session. Yakfi